Take command of the road in the 2015 Ram 2500. This four-door, five-passenger truck provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, a tachometer, a leather steering wheel, automatic dimming door mirrors, a trailer hitch, and one-touch window functionality. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.